Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and it's Tuesday morning review day, and I've got the hot dog bun non-stick, and it's a chef-made professional series, and I got 3 of these. So I'm going to open one, and I got a hot dog bun to see how it fits. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Hot day, but beautiful nonetheless. And I woke up this morning, so I'm all right with it. So I'm taking it out of the box. Now this is the way they look. I'm not going to take all 3 out, just this one. And then it says it's a non-stick hot dog pan. So let's open this and see if we can find. Oh, it slides right out. Very good. But I had to use my scissors. So this is it. Here's the hot dog roll. And it holds the hot dog roll perfectly. So you can put your hot dog in it. And I didn't wash this out, so this bun will be for the birds. You can put your hot dog in it, and you can dress it all up. I should have fixed the hot dog, but I didn't. I just ate breakfast, well, brunch. So anyway, this is my hot dog roll. And this is the hot dog bun holder. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up, and I will leave you everything in the comment section up above. So, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.